AI, it can process data, but it can't discern emotion of another human being. AI can predict trends, but it cannot inspire loyalty. It can generate words, and I use it for that, but it can't generate warmth. It can't do that. In short, AI can assist you, but it cannot care for people. And care is the foundation of leadership influence. And I believe with all of my being that soft skills are going to be the new competitive advantage, not only for businesses, but certainly for leaders. As this AI surge takes on more technical and analytical tasks, I feel like soft skills are going to become the hard skills. They're going to be the things that not many people have, and they're probably not being taught, and they're certainly not being embraced. Why? Because there's an over-reliance on AI. The ability to listen to somebody deeply, to read emotion, to navigate conflict, to cast a compelling vision. It will be the thing that separates great leaders from those that are average. That is where I see the future of leadership. Empathy, authenticity, communication are becoming more and more valuable, not less valuable. They're become the stock of authenticity and emotion and communication is going up in leadership, not down. A leader's true edge won't be how efficiently that they deploy AI, although I think we need to lean into it. It will be how effectively they connect with people in a world that is increasingly disconnected. Matter of fact, I will tell you that I see a day that people are going to be so hungry for connection that it's going to create new business opportunities for people. This is good news, though. I mean, I'm seeing this as cup half full, quite frankly, because no matter how advanced technology gets, people will always crave one thing: connection. People crave connection. And the leaders who can meet that need will have unmatched influence like never before. But we got to stay the course. So what are some things that we can do to stand out and create an edge as a leader, as a business? I have a few thoughts on ways that leaders can stay ahead and deepen their influence in this age of artificial intelligence. One, I'm going to say it, schedule intentional connection. If you've been listening to the show, you know where I stand on these one-on-one debriefs, and I'm not talking about text messages. I'm talking about, at worst case, virtual with the video on. Best case, we're sitting across from one another having some dialogue. Make time on your schedule to engage personally with your team. No dashboards, no automation, no metrics, just a genuine, real conversation. Kind of like you're a crazy person, right? We're actually talking. Yeah, wild, isn't it? Ask meaningful questions. Listen deeply when they respond. And look, maybe you're like, yeah, this is a great idea. I'm going to start doing that. Where do I start? Start by going to the jeffhancher.com, go to the free resources tab, and download the leaders conversation guide. This will help you into how to make effective relational deposits. These are the things that are going to be the differentiator as we move forward. The other thing that you can do is be vigilant in developing your soft skills. What are soft skills? Asking the right questions. What are the right leadership questions to ask and when? Do I have strong emotional intelligence? Do I know how to give effective feedback and read a room? Do I know how to diagnose, maybe by creating a healthy bias of who's in front of me, and how to deliver feedback appropriately? How do I communicate? My tone, my pitch, my body language, all of these things that we can do to be effective communicators. We need, like never before, to invest in leadership development, says the leadership developer. Of course, I get it. But we got to focus on communication. We have to focus on empathy. We have to focus on being better coach leaders. The more AI grows, the more these skills will define your impact.